A very good morning to all you students there. Today we are going to start with the topic business activities. So in this, what are the things that we have to do? Types of business activity, types of industries, primary, secondary and tertiary industry. So what are the types of business activities? Businessmen are doing only two types of activity, that is industry or commerce. That is, either the business that the businessmen are doing is coming under industry or in commerce. So the two types is industry and commerce. Today we'll only focus on industry. So what is industry? Definition of industry: it refers to economic activity connected with conversion of resources into useful goods. So whatever resources that is being extracted from the earth is being converted into useful products. This is what we do in industry. Like if iron ore is extracted from the earth, now that iron ore is being utilized to make steel. When oil or is extracted, that is crude oil is extracted, so what is it useful made in? It can be made in petroleum, it can be made in diesel, etc. So it includes activities concerned with production or processing of goods and material, as well as we include here breeding and raising of animals and of plants. Okay, so here industry is a very big topic to be discussed, where we are having production units, processing units, and also we are including in it breeding and raising of animals. The term also means a group of firms producing similar products. So you must be hearing that when we have to address firms with the same kind of products that they are producing, we tell them industry, like textile industry, electronic industry. I hope it is clear. Next, what are the types of industries? There are three types of industries: primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. So what is a primary industry? Mainly we are talking about extraction directly from the nature. Okay. Secondary industry, whatever we are extracting from the nature, we are transforming it or manufacturing it, that is processing it into useful products that we can use. And tertiary industry is all that is service industry that we are talking about. Okay, so whatever services the primary industry, secondary industry require, it is the tertiary industry which is going to fulfill those services, like transport, banking, advertising, etc. Okay, so let us come in details now. What is a primary industry? Primary industry includes all those activities which are concerned with extraction, production and processing of natural resources, and reproduction and development of plants, living organisms, etc. So when we are talking about primary industry, we are talking about extraction of natural resources, children. So these natural resources are extracted from the earth. Okay, so here we talk about fishing, extracting of fishes from the earth. Okay, or extraction of iron ore, or when we talk about that is plantation, we talk about nursery. It is a part of primary industry. So many herbal products. Okay, so they require a huge amount of herbs. Okay, so there is one big industry which is engaged in the production of herbs. Okay, so that is nursery. Then breeding of animals like poultry. So all these things are primary industry. Next is, what are the types of primary industry? There are two types of primary industry: extractive, meaning extraction from the of natural things from the nature, and genetic industry, related with plants and animals. So what is extractive industry? These industries extract products from natural resources. Example, mining. Example, fishing. Lumbering here, children, we are concerned with is wood. Okay, wood is being used for manufacturing, that is furnitures. Okay, so lumbering industry. Then we are having hunting, farming, etc. So in farming we are producing goods, okay, so that is wheat, rice, etc. So these are all a part of your extractive industries. Genetic industries are concerned with breeding of animals and plants. So here we have the dairy farming, okay, where you are getting milk, okay, so that is a part of your generic industry. Cattle breeding, nursery is a part of your generic industry, okay. So next we are having the secondary industry. Secondary industry is concerned with using the material extracted at the primary stage to manufactured goods, either for final consumption or for further processing by the other industrial companies. So whatever has been extracted, like I told you, that cotton is being produced in the farms, okay, so that is a primary industry production there happening. From the extraction from the natural soil we are getting the cotton. Now from that, when it goes to the factories to make it into a cloth, so the process is being done on the cotton, so that becomes secondary industry. So manufacturing cotton is primary industry, and processing cloth out of this cotton is a secondary industry. So whatever has been extracted, whether it is that is iron ore, whether it is coal from the mining, or whether it is oil refineries, okay, when they are used to manufacture something else, okay, so that becomes secondary industry. That is with the material, raw materials are being processed into a new product, okay. So let us see. Secondary industry is of two types: manufacturing industry and construction industry. So manufacturing industry mainly related with the manufacturing of goods. Construction industry, which is related with the construction of buildings, flyovers, roads, dams, etc. Children, I have just given you manufacturing industry, construction industry. You will write the definition on your own from the book, okay. So types of manufacturing industry: analytical industry, synthetical industry, processing industry, and assembling industry. So secondary industry, we are knowing that two things: one is manufacturing industry, another is constructing industry. Now in details we'll be talking about manufacturing industries. So there are four types of manufacturing industry. Just now I have told you 1, 2, 3, 4: analytical, synthetical, processing, and assembling. Now next, what is analytical industry? You can see the image of that is oil refined, that is oil, crude oil, and all that thing is being taken out from these places, okay. In the oceans it is taken out, okay. So when the analytical industry, that is industry which analyzes, separates different elements from same material. So here children, you should understand that when the crude oil is taken out from this place, okay, this crude oil is separated into a number of products from the crude oil that is we are getting from the refineries, okay, oil refineries. A number of products are being manufactured, like from the crude oil we get diesel, we get petrol, we get lumbering oil, gasoline, etc. So such industry are termed as analytical industry, where separating different elements from the same element, same material, like same material here is crude oil से हम लोग बहुत सारा material निकालते हैं. That is what is analytical industry. So an industry which analyzes, separates different elements from the same material, okay. So next we are having synthetical industry. In this type of industry, two or more material are combined to mix together to produce a new product, okay. So when two or more material are put together to make a new product, it is termed as synthetical industry. Like supposing example is cement. Now cement is made from a number of things, like it is a mixture of concrete, gypsum, and coal, etc. So when all these things are mixed in a certain quantity, we get cement. So when these kind of things happen, or this is termed as your synthetical industry, okay. So when a number of chemicals are mixed, okay, to make paints, cosmetics, soap, etc. So they will all be a part of your synthetical industry, because a number of things goes into making a soap, a number of things goes into making of cosmetics. So all the things mixed together to make a new product is your synthetical industry. Next is processing industry. It is an industry in which raw material is processed through various stages of production for obtaining finished products. Okay, now you can see this pic here, children. This is big, the manufacturing of food processing here. That is, some biscuits are being manufactured. So in this particular thing, raw material, what is the raw material for biscuit? That is mainly your flour. Okay, that is wheat flour, it can be. So that is being converted into biscuit. So raw material here is flour, and it is processed in a way to make a finished product. Okay, we cannot consume a flour that is not the final consumption that we do. Okay, immediately we can't consume. It has to be changed its shape or its form into biscuit, into something else, cakes, etc. Then only we can eat it. Okay, so when the raw material is processed through various stages of production, we get a final finished products. Like cotton textile industry, I have given you here example. The cotton industry, okay, textile industry. So cotton, all of you understand, cotton is passing through spinning, weaving, dyeing, and then bleaching, printing, and then it becomes a cloth, children. So this is what is processing industry, where raw material, that is cotton, being utilized to make cloth. Okay, so it is processed to make a cloth. Next we are having, that is assembling industry. In the assembling industry, manufactured components or parts are assembled to produce a new product. So like the cars, you can see this car here. Okay, so here what is happening? Everything is not being made in the same company. Maybe the tires, maybe the windows, okay, or maybe the rear view mirror, etc. are being manufactured somewhere else. Okay, so manufactured components is acquired and they are assembled together to make a car, children. Okay, so this is what is your assembling industry. So you can have in this assembling industry computers, television, which are being assembled together, then automobiles, watches, bicycles, etc. Okay, so this is it, or in the secondary industry. Now construction industry, as I told you just now, is an industry concerned with construction of buildings. You have to make notes on your own for construction industry. Okay, so secondary industry divided into two, that is manufacturing and construction industry. So this we have just completed. Okay, so next we will be doing the tertiary industry, the last one. These industries are called service industry. These provide services to primary, secondary industries. So what are the services provided by these? Transportation, banking, advertising, warehousing, etc. So tertiary industry is mainly the service industry. Okay, so I hope the content is clear to all of you. The next class we'll be doing what is commerce. Okay, so two types of business we have done. One is activities, that is one is industry and one is commerce. So industry today we discussed, and next class we'll be discussing commerce. Okay, so all the definitions you should make a notes of, children, right from meaning of industry, types of industry, then what are the types of primary industry, types of secondary industry, and tertiary industry. Again I'm telling you, I have not given any clip on construction industry. I want you to do that work on your own. Okay, because it has been explained. Construction industry, what is it? It is concerned with construction of building, flyover, road, dams, etc. So that you can write this much. Okay, so this is it, children, today. So thank you to all of you. Now before we that is wind up, there is one more clip of this primary, secondary and tertiary. You can just have a look here. You can see here primary industry, dairy farming, okay, is primary industry. Fishing, coal, okay, mining, then oil mining, oil wells, coal mining, then oil wells. These are a part of your primary industry. Then secondary industry, car manufacturing, house building. House building will come under which industry in the secondary? that is construction industry, because it is talking about construction. Okay, so thereafter bread making. Okay, so bread baking will come under which secondary industry, children? When I talk about making, so it is being processed. Okay, so it is a part of your processing industry. Okay, it is a part of your manufacturing industry. Under manufacturing, it is a part of your processing industry. So this is a type of question which will be asked. Now what is furniture construction? Okay, so what is the type of secondary industry? Furniture construction, you have to find out. Okay, so this is the way you have to be prepared with the case studies. Now tertiary industry, you're having banking, you're having bus driving, hairdressing, tourism. Okay, whatever services that the industries are providing services, they are coming under your tertiary industries. Okay, so did you find out what is furniture construction, all of you? Find out what is furniture construction. Which type of secondary industry is it? I will be asking you in the question, that is doubt class. Okay, so okay, thank you to all of you. Make all small notes. Okay, so thank you to all of you. Good.